Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, guess what?
What?
This week, I'm doing something that I've never done before on the show.
What are you doing?
I'm using a baseball analogy. It's happened.
You've arrived.
I've arrived.
Good for you, man.
He's very happy.
Yes. You see the smile.
Yeah, he's always the one with the baseball analogies.
I have a lot of baseball analogies. I also have a lot of Army analogies. I also just have a lot of analogies and a lot of words, so you better take over. What do you got?
All right, so the Atlanta Braves.
Yeah.
They're having a pretty dang good season.
I would have to say.
Yeah, they're doing all right.
Broken the major league single season home run record.
Sure.
It's a good year.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah.
A lot of fun.
So I'm borrowing this from Pastor Adam, our pastor over at church. I got to give credit where credit is due. He was the one that pointed this out. Yeah. And I thought this could preach for construction as well.
All right.
Okay.
Yep.
So there's something called the Ozzie effect. Okay. So Ozzie Albies.
Yes.
And Ronald Acuña
I am familiar.
are two very dang good players.
Yes. Superstars.
Yes. Superstar players.
One a little better than the other, though.
Yeah. So the Ozzie effect, people have done the math. All right. The scientists have done the math.
The statisticians.
Yes. They've realized anytime that Ozzie is out on the field, Acuña plays 30% better.
30% just across the board.
Across the board, he plays 30% better.
Okay, I'm going to take you at your word. What's your point?
My point is, are you having the Ozzie effect on your team? Okay. I want you to look at yourself and ask, how can I make the people around me 30% better? And it's funny because I don't think it's because Ozzie goes out there and he's like, coaching him on his swing, or he's, doing all these different. No, I think it's because they've built a rapport. They're friends. And for some reason, Acuña can just turn off this side of his brain that just allows him to do 30% better at baseball. So,
they are friends. And if you've ever seen them goofing off in the dugout, like they're total cut ups. So yeah. I mean, like if you've been around and watched a lot. Yeah, Ozzie has some sort of he just kind of loosens him up. He kind of. So I'm going to say fact check it, but I'll buy it.
Okay, we're going to link to the actual statistics in the show notes and stuff. Okay. So it might be 29.2. I don't know, 30%, rounding up.
We're going to say 30.
We're going to say 30.
That's the Ozzie effect.
Regardless.
Okay.
Are you enhancing the people around you? Are you improving them? Are you helping them? Are they better as a result of you being there? Go in to any of your jobs this week and ask yourself that question. Go into the office this coming week. Go take some time and think about it this weekend. Are you having that effect on your people? So there you go. There's the Ozzie effect.
I like it.
And there's a baseball analogy for you.
I can deal with a baseball analogy anytime you ever bring it.
I know. I wanted to surprise you today because I knew you would enjoy
It's not even my birthday.
It's not even your birthday. You're just old. All right, guys. Well, go build something awesome.